objection.
Yesterday, did you tell myself and my colleagues, Ms. Love and others, about Lil D and Shannon being in your vehicle the night of the murder?
Huh?
Yesterday, did you tell myself, Ms. Love, and a few of my other colleagues that Lil D and Shannon were in the car with you the night of the murder of Donovan Thomas?
I told you and them that what I told investigators in June when Nut got killed, something different, because I was trying to finish my way out of a situation. So I said, I picked up D and Shannon. D never told me nothing. I made it up to clear myself up. And that's it.
Okay. And was that yesterday that you said that? Did you tell us that yesterday, what you just said?
You asked me to be truthful. And I didn't, and I told you. What I told the investigator back then wasn't me being truthful. So I'm telling you something that I didn't tell them because I ain't trying to go back to jail.
I got it. But I asked you was yesterday, the first time you said this part, and now what you're saying today is what is truthful. What you're saying right now, what you're trying to tell the jury right now, is what you are now saying is truthful.
What I'm trying to tell you is our conversation was about something that I said in the past.
I understand. I'm asking you.
I asked that Mr. Copeland allowed to finish his answer.
Okay, all right.
Oh, I thought you was done.
Mr. Copeland, you need to finish your answer,
No,
sir?
I need a break, Your Honor.
Say again?
I need a break.
You need to use the restroom?
No, I need a break. Like, I need a break.
Sir, it's not time for us to take a break at this point in
Well,
time.
okay.
Okay? I mean, unless you need to go to the bathroom or some other reason, we're not going to break at this point in time.
Do you need a few moments? Was yesterday the first time that you told?
Your Honor, I asked Mr. Copeland to finish his answer if he was still.
I don't think he's finished. I think he's finished, Mr. Steele. So I'll overrule that objection.
Was yesterday the first time that you told anyone from the state that what you said back in January of 2015 was a lie? And that you were trying to finesse your way out of what you told them back in January of 2015? I
told that to the investigators when they was questioning me at a certain point.
What investigators?
Y'all questioned me so many times, I don't know.
Back in 2015, did you go to the police again on January 11, 2015?
I'll sustain the objection.
Did you also go to the police on January 28, 2015?
I don't know no dates, but if you know that if I went to the, you could just say it.
Did you also go and speak with the police on February 20th, 2015?
If that's what it say.
And what about on February 21st, 2015?
If that's what it say.
And then what about on June 10th, 2015?
If that's what it say.
Let me ask you this. In your interview on January 11th, 2015, do you recall your girlfriend's mother's home being shot up?
Was it?
Do you recall it? I'm asking, do you recall her our mother's home being shot up that night after Nut was killed.
I don't know if it was the same night or the next night.
Do you also recall that the stepdaddy's house was shot up that same evening?
I will object to
Basis.
meeting hearsay.
I'll sustain this to form. You can rephrase me.
When Young Thug's stepdaddy's house shot up the night that Nut
I don't
got
know.
killed. When you went to the police on January 11, 2015, did you go there on your own?
Nope.
Did the police come and get you to go to the police station, or did someone drop you off? Lonesome.
They,
Didn't ask me.
I'm gonna overrule the objection.
Did you voluntarily go down to the police station that night?
no, I didn't volunteer. He called me.
And did he tell you you had to come down there, or did you decide to go down there yourself?
Well, he told me to come down, and people told me to go down there because
No, you're on.
Is there an objection, sir? And just state what it is.
Nothing. Still talking.
Okay, let me see if he's finished his response.
Were you
Mr. Copeland, you finished? Or do you need to say something else to complete that last question you were asked?
yeah, I was just gonna say that I was told to go down there and speak with the police.
Okay, all right.
Do you recall in 2015 telling law enforcement officers that you were calling to get advice on whether or not you should go down and speak to the police because your name was coming up in the murder?
Can you say the
Sure.
first part again?
Sure. Do you recall telling Detective Thorpe in his January 11, 2015 interview that you were calling around getting advice to decide whether or not you should come down to the police department because people were putting your name in the murder?
I don't know. I know when he called me, didn't know what to do, so that's why I was told to go down there. 'Cause-
Are we finished?
yeah, I'm finished.
Do you recall telling Detective Thorpe in that same January 11, 2015 interview that people told you not to go down there and to wait until the police called you? But you wanted to come down so you could clear your name?
You said, did I tell him that?
Yes.
I guess.
In that January 11, 2015 interview, was Thug in that interview with you?
Huh?
When you went to go speak with Detective Thorpe on January 11, 2015, was Thug in that interview with you?
Your Honor,
What you?
Basis.
I have a motion.
Okay. Mr. Copeland, can you step outside for just a second? Ladies and gentlemen, jury, can I get you to step in your headquarters just for a minute, please?